Tornado. Tornadoes are rapidly spinning columns of air that extend from a thunderstorm to the ground. They form when warm, moist air collides with cold, dry air, creating instability in the atmosphere. Some tornadoes are small and short-lived, while others can stay on the ground for miles, destroying almost everything in their path. Hurricane. Hurricanes are massive storm systems that form over warm ocean water. As they grow, they pull in more heat and moisture, becoming stronger over time. They can cover hundreds of miles, bringing powerful winds, heavy rainfall, and dangerous storm surges that flood coastal areas. Thunderstorm. Thunderstorms are one of the most common natural disasters, but they can still be dangerous. They produce lightning, heavy rain, strong winds, and sometimes hail or tornadoes. Even a normal thunderstorm can quickly turn severe under the right conditions. Hailstorm. Hail forms when strong updrafts inside a storm carry water droplets high into freezing air. They freeze, fall, and get lifted again, growing larger each time. Eventually, they fall as solid chunks of ice, sometimes large enough to damage cars, roofs, and crops. Earthquake. Earthquakes happen when stress builds up between tectonic plates beneath the Earth's surface. When that stress is suddenly released, the ground shakes, sometimes violently. Stronger earthquakes can collapse buildings, crack roads, and trigger other disasters like tsunamis or landslides. Volcanic eruption. Volcanoes erupt when pressure from molten rock, called magma, builds up underground. When it finally escapes, it releases lava, ash, and gases into the air. Some eruptions are slow and steady, while others are explosive and can affect entire regions. Landslide/mudslide. Landslides occur when rock, soil, or debris moves downhill under the force of gravity. Heavy rain, earthquakes, or even human activity can trigger them. Mudslides are similar but involve water-saturated soil moving quickly, making them even more dangerous. Tsunami. Tsunamis are massive ocean waves, usually caused by underwater earthquakes or landslides. They can travel across entire oceans at high speeds. By the time they reach land, they can rise into powerful waves that flood everything in their path. Flood. Floods happen when water overflows onto land that is normally dry. This can be caused by heavy rain, overflowing rivers, or storm surges from hurricanes. Wildfire. Wildfires are uncontrolled fires that spread across forests, grasslands, or other areas. They're fueled by dry conditions, heat, and wind. Once they start, they can move quickly and become difficult to stop. Drought. A drought is a long period with little to no rainfall. Over time, this leads to water shortages, dry soil, and damage to crops and ecosystems. Droughts can last for months or even years. Heat wave. Heat waves are extended periods of extremely high temperatures. They can put stress on the human body, increase the risk of illness, and even worsen other disasters like wildfires. Blizzard. Blizzards are intense snowstorms with strong winds and very low visibility. They can make travel nearly impossible and shut down entire areas. Avalanche. Avalanches occur when large amounts of snow suddenly break loose and rush down a mountain. They move fast and can bury anything in their path within seconds. Natural disasters come in many forms, some fast and violent, others slow and building over time, but all of them show just how powerful and unpredictable the Earth can be. And even though we can't stop them, understanding them is the first step to staying safe.